For the first time, this showstopper home is hitting the Franklin-Williamson County market. Featuring geothermal heating and cooling, 20-foot ceilings in the living room, and an unparalleled indoor-outdoor entertaining space, this home is truly one of a kind. Boasting 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and a detached pool house with a gym and sauna, this property is designed to impress. The sassafras exterior, custom Marvin windows, metal roof, and Mavian Control4 system, which allows seamless control of lights, music, and window coverings via an app, elevate the home's modern luxury. A large walk-in butler's pantry doubles as a safe room, featuring concrete poured walls and a custom iron door for added security. The 0.6-mile driveway, currently being finalized, will be complemented by additional landscaping designed by renowned landscape architect Ben Page. Additional soil areas completed by Michael Haarbauer, which will allow for more dwellings on the 100 acres. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stunning luxury real estate videos. Stay tuned for the next dream home.